Hello, children! Today we're going to practice reading sentences. Are you ready, children? I want you to read after me. I read a book in my bed. I read a book in my bed. It's your turn, children. Good job! I love my pet. I love my pet. It's your turn, children. I like to eat ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Good job! I like the month of April. I like the month of April. I like my school. I like my school. I love my parents. I love my parents. I like color yellow. I like color yellow. I play my toys. I play my toys. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I feed the cow. I feed the cow. I listen to my mom. I listen to my mom. I knock at the door. I knock at the door. Your turn. Good job, children.